Good morning, children. Class 2B. Today our subject is moral science. Lesson number 3. Me, courteous. Already we read this page number 15 and 16 and we are writing some question answers from these two pages. Today we will be start page number 17. One page only. In this page there are 3 parts are there. So we have to read first and understood. After that we will be write some work. Let us start. At play. What we have to do? At play means when we are playing in the with our friends in the playground or inside. Anyway, what we have to do? See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 points are given there. We read it. Don't sit at games, play fair. Number 2, do not bully, only crowds do this. Be pleasant and not quarrelsome. Don't jar at your schoolmates or call them by names which they do not like. Number 2 are in the street. We have to follow some street rule and regulation in the street. So these are given here. See, salute your ministers, teachers and acquaintances when you meet them. Do not push nor run against people. Do not knock on doors, walls or gates. Do not annoy shopkeepers by loitering at their shop doors and windows. Do not throw orange peel or banana skins on the pavement. Danger accident often result from this practice. Do not make fun of old nor crippled people, but they particularly polite to them as well as to strangers and foreigners. I hope you understood this one. Very simple words are giving there. At phone. Nowadays everybody are use phone. Mobile phone everybody we have to use. Understood? So what we have to follow some steps. When we use phone we have to follow some steps are giving there. Now see what are giving here. Always talk politely on the telephones. Answer the call softly. When the person call is not at home, note down the messages. It is not good to call friends at unusual hours. Very simple 4 steps are giving. If you follow this one, you have to become a good person in future. So try to do all the steps at playground, in the street, at phone. These 3 steps. Today only you read this one. And now I am giving some worksheet with these chapters. See what I am giving. Write down in your copy. Lesson number 3, moral science, page 17, classwork. Fill in the blanks. Be thus and not quarrelsome. This one already we are reading here. Is it? This one pleasant. So I already giving this answers. You have to read from the book and write in your copy this fill in the blanks. Okay, now homework. Write the answer. 1 questions I am giving. You have to write from this page number 17. What are the things you should do in the street to be a good mannered person? Means you have to write down any 4 steps or any 4 points, or if you want to write all these points also you can write, but 3 or 4 is enough. You have to write from this block. This answer question number 2. This question number 2 answer you have to write down from this part. Okay, from this part you have to write any 3 or 4 points. Clear? I hope you understood. All of you read first. First you practice always reading. If it is hard spellings, you give underlines and read the spellings by clearly. Then you practice writing. I hope all of you will be read this chapter and understood, and write the classwork and homework and submit in the evening. Thank you.